Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and doing first impressions on the Canon Vixia HF R800 camcorder. As you can see, we have camcorder in this box, and I'm sorry if I have not uploaded in a while. It's just I've been waiting for this camera to arrive, and it finally arrived. And so let's get into the video. We're going to be doing an unboxing of this guy. Yes guys, the Canon Vixia. And this is the newest version, the R800, and the HF R800. And just in case you guys are wondering, no, this is not the retail box. This is a refurbished. So this is a Canon Vixia HF R800 refurbished. So if you buy it new, it is not going to come in this box. If you buy refurbished, it may or may not come in one of these boxes. So just a heads up, if you buy it new, it's not going to come in this box. Just a quick heads up. Alright then, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, we have a nice presentation of the box right here. It just says Canon EOS PowerShot Vixia on the front. So let me actually take everything out of the box. And as you can see, I've gotten everything out of the box. And this is basically all that comes in the box. So first thing, we have this kind of counterfeit kind of booklet. It says counterfeits can be dangerous. Get informed. It's pretty good stuff. You should probably read that. Next, we have the, pretty sure this is a warranty guide. Warranty. And then we have, this is for service and support. It says right there. And then we have finally your user manual right there. And then in this, and yes guys, if you guys are wondering why it's wrapped like this in a specific, it's because it's a refurbished version. So keep that in mind guys. So if you guys buy this camera new, it is not going to show up like this at all, or in that box that I showed you. So let's see what's in this bubble wrap. So first thing, you see we have the camera. Let's take that out. See, we have the camera right there. We'll put this to the side and we'll see about that a little later. And in this one, we have your charging cable. We have your HDMI cables. That's nice that they include that. And then we have a battery, which is pretty nice. Let's actually see how big this battery is. So this is doesn't really say how many milliamps it is, but judging by how it is, it's bigger than the battery that I have on this camera right now. So, and then we have your mini USB to USB. So I'm pretty sure you can charge it either way, like this or in this format. Doesn't really matter. And this, the HDMI, you can just, there's an HDMI port on the camera. You just connect the other side to your TV, and it connects. So, and then whatever's on your camera is on your TV now, which is pretty nice. So just in case you guys were wondering why I have a new camera, I will no longer be filming on the camera that I have right now. And in case you guys are wondering what camera it is a Sony HDR CX405 camcorder. Now, it's not the best camera, but I've used it ever since I started my YouTube channel, and it's been pretty great, but I think it was time for an upgrade. So that's why I went for this. Now I know it isn't much of an upgrade, but it does have pretty much the only reason I got this camera was because of the microphone port that it has, which is really convenient because I have a microphone that I bought for this camera, but then once I realized that it didn't have the microphone port, I was really upset. So later on I started looking on the internet to find a cheap alternative, and I found this, and this does have a microphone port, which I'll show you in a little bit. And in case you guys are wondering how much this refurbished version cost, it is 160 plus tax, about 173 bucks on the Canon website itself. So if you guys buy it new, it will cost you $220 on the Canon website. Keep in mind, This is a refurbished version. So now let's open up the camera and see what's inside. Alright, so as you can see inside we have lots of ports, and we have a 3-inch touchscreen LCD, and then right here we have mini USB, we have an HDMI, we have a headphone jack, and then we have a mic port. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Wait guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it has a microphone port right there, which is really convenient if you want to get good audio. So let's say how I am right now, far away from the camera, so mics don't really pick up too much, and I don't like how it picks everything out from the surroundings around me. And I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed that in the videos that it kind of picks up a lot of background noise, which I don't really like, and I kind of want it to capture just my voice. So that's pretty much what I bought this for. So then we have your on-off button, and then we have your playback button, kind of like what this camera has, and then we have your record button right there, record button, and then we have your zoom in, zoom out right there, and then you have your 2 microphones located in the front, which are also located in the front on this camera, and on the bottom we have the 2 mounting ports for the tripod right here, and then right here is for the battery release. You can actually stick in the battery through here, right there, and yeah, and then we have, oh yeah, what's really convenient, it has a lens cover, but it's manual, but at least it has one. And this one also has one, and it's also manual, but it's pretty nice that it has one. Now, so far, this is a pretty good camera, guys. It was $160, like I said, for this refurbished version. Oh, and I also didn't mention this is where you stick in your memory card, SD card, whatever you want to call it, through here, through this little flap. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the camera of what it has. Oh, and the battery gets inserted through here. You just insert it like so. It's inserted. It does give it a little bulk, but hey, I would take anything over for it to last longer. And then let's actually turn it on, guys, for the first time. Alright guys, so I've got it on, and I actually had to put it to charge because I had no juice, so I have it charging. And as you can see, I turned on the camcorder itself. As you can see, let me actually go through the setup process and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I've gone through the setup, and as you can see, I'm in the menu. We have lots of shooting modes right here, and I'm not going to go too much in depth in this video. I'm going to do that for the next video, but I'm just going to show you some quick little features that this has. Now you can select a shooting mode through this menu right here. And like I said, it is a touchscreen, which this camcorder doesn't offer. And the first one that you have auto white balance, which is literally every camera has that. And then you have this, which you can access frequently used shooting related functions. Now let me actually get out of here, and let's go into the menu. And then we just have, so you can set the video quality, and then we have, like I said, your shooting mode, and then you can go here to this button right here to go to your all your recent photos and videos. And that's pretty much all I'm going to show you for this video. For the next video, I'm going to be showing you a video test, and I'm going to be going through all the menus and everything that it has. So stay tuned for that. That will be for my next video, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.